Hello guys, so welcome to KO Tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So as you can see over here, we have started with the texturing part over here. So let's continue with the texturing part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So let's just start texturing the rest of the area which is just left out. So for that, what we'll be doing over here is like the area will be just converting to editable poly over here. Let's select the polygons over here. Okay, this is a different part. Let's go into material and let's just give a glass material over here. So let's take a V-Ray material over here. So let's just take a V-Ray material. If you want to give a bit of a reflection, we can just give a reflection over here. Let's just give full reflection. Just give a bit of refract and let's just assign it for that. So as you do it, we can just name it as glass or mirror, glass only, it's a glass. So let's select this part. So let's select the polygons. So whatever the rest of the part is there over here, excluding this part, we'll be selecting that part. Let's go into the material. Let's again take a V-Ray material, go into the bitmap. Let's go into that exterior folder and let's just review few of the textures which we have taken, which we are going to initiate it. We can use this texture. So we can just take this texture. I think this looks perfect. Okay, so just assign this texture properly over here and let's just give again a UVW map and convert to editable poly. So we can just assign this texture over here. Also we'll go over here and we also need to assign the same texture over here. So let's just select this whole thing over here. Let's go into the material and let's just assign the same texture and give a UVW map over here. So select this part, convert to editable poly, select the polygons over here. So just select this polygons over here and again go into the material and assign the same texture. So for this now, again we'll select this and we'll give this glass one to it. So we can just give a glass wherever it is required. We'll be assigning the same material for all over here. So you can easily assign the same material wherever it is required. So you can go into this, go into the polygons, select this polygons over here, select this polygons. You can just select this frame over here, go into material, V-Ray material, and let's just give any darker color to that particular frame. Assign it. So same thing will go with this also. So if you want to assign the same over here also, so you can just select the frame, now select this, that's the inside part. So I'm not going to give any color to the inside area. Alright, so same for this also, just assign the texture wherever it is required. You can just select that. Material, assign that. So we'll be doing the same over here also. So select this part, this part, this part. So just select this all. So just give this over here. Select this whole thing. Right click and isolate this. So you can just save your file once over here. Now we'll be assigning this, select this whole thing. If you want, you can just give another color to it, not a problem. You can go with some other color if you require to give some other color. Let's go into material. Let's take a V-Ray material. Let's take a bitmap. You can go with this texture also. That's your concrete one. So just assign the textures over here and just give a UVW map. Set it as a box. So if you want to set this as individual, you can just set it as a individual also, and you have an option over here, that's for the fit option. If you want to fit anything perfectly, so that can also be done over here. So that will go with this also. So let's just select this all. Let's just delete this and give a UVW map. Set it as a box. You can just fit that and increase its height. Alright, so you can save your file once again over here. So let's go into this, and if you want to just duplicate this all alpha maps that can be duplicated. Just scale it. Then slightly just push it up. So select this whole thing, go into material. Let's take again a V-Ray material and let's just give a white color to it. That's it. So select this part. Let's again go into the material and again go into this UVW map and set it as a box. I'm sorry, not this material. This material. Same for this. Go into material, assign that. Alright, so as you can see over here, we have assigned this textures everywhere over here. So save your file. So guys, if any doubts, please write it in the comment section. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the next tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.